This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I'll show how you can record screen on this device. So first you'll need to open your control panel by swiping downwards from the status bar like that. Here expand these control panel icons. See if you have the screen recorder already installed here. It seems like yep, I do. Here it is. Then tap on it. Confirm your choice and the recording is going to start. If you would like to finish it, just tap at this icon over here and it will be saved to the separate gallery folder. If you would like to configure the screen recorder preferences, just go into settings. Here let's tap record screen to find them, or screen recorder rather. So you can access the settings through entering the display category, and here is the screen record. So the only things you can change in terms of screen recorder preferences are the sound source. You can either mute or unmute the sound from microphone or device audio, and you can also decide whether you would like to show tabs. So whatever you tap on the screen, those tabs will be visualized on the screen recording, or you can make it so that those tabs or those clicks will not be shown. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.